Your iPhone battery draining faster than usual? Here are the most common reasons why. Many apps keep working in the background even when you're not using them. They refresh content, check for updates, and use battery power throughout the day. The more apps refreshing in the background, the more battery power they consume. Most people never realize how much energy these apps use. Location services can be useful, but some apps continue tracking your location even when they're closed. Changing location access to while using the app can help reduce unnecessary battery drain. Battery settings show exactly which apps are using the most power, making it easier to find the biggest battery drainers. Low power mode reduces background activity, downloads, and visual effects to help your battery last longer. Low power mode reduces background activity, downloads, and visual effects to help your battery last longer. Try these settings today, and you could notice a real improvement in battery life. Small changes can make a big difference over time.